To get started with Screencastify, simply click on the Screencastify icon. The first time you do this, you'll be asked to set up or allow several things. So I'm just going to click Set up Camera Access. And from here, be sure to click Allow. I'm going to choose to save my video recordings to Google Drive. If you'd rather save them on your device, you can choose the other option. And now since I chose Google Drive, it's asking me to sign into Google. The first time you may have seen that screen flash up, it asks you if you're an educator or a student, and you can pick the right one, and it won't, as you saw, it won't ask you again. It brings me to a page that has my previous recordings. I don't need those right now, so I'm going to close them. So that's just the first time I click the icon to set things up. But now I'm ready to do my recording, so I'm going to click that icon again, and from now on this is what will happen. I have my options for what I can record, just one tab, my entire desktop, or this is if I only want to record the webcam. The microphone is correct. You can see when I speak the little green bar jumps up, so I know that that's working. If I wanted to embed a webcam into my video, I could check that box. For now, I'm just going to record the desktop. It's confirming that I do want to share my entire screen, so I'm going to confirm that.
3, 2, 1.
And you heard the countdown, and now my screen is being shared. At this point, whatever I wanted to do on the screen to show in the screencast video, I could go ahead and do. In this case, I want to record myself doing this presentation, so I'm actually going to begin these Google Slides. I click Present, and now I would actually begin with my presentation. So I would introduce myself, I would click from slide to talk about whatever the things are that I wanted to say in my presentation. And when I'm finished, I'm going to exit via the Escape button and click the Stop Sharing button, and my video will be over. Once it ends, it will pop up that video that I've just finished. And now my screen is being shared. At this point, whatever I wanted to do on the screen to show in the screencast. So you can see the video begins playing automatically, and it records what I'm saying and what I'm doing on the screen. Now that I'm finished and I want to save this, well, first I guess I should tell you if I didn't want to save this. Let's say I made a mistake and wanted to start over, I would just hit the trash can button, and that way I won't have these bad videos piling up. I can just trash them as I do them. In this case, let's say this one's perfect. I want to change the name of it. I'm going to call this one Sample Screencastify. And then I have to figure out how I want to share it. So this is the share button. And I usually I do save on YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel or you have a YouTube account that you use, I recommend that. In this case, since we know I have a Google Drive because I'm creating a Google Slides file, I'm going to use Google Drive. So now there should be a folder in my Google Drive called Screencastify, and this video will save to that. But I'm going to share this via a link, so I'm going to click the Get Link button. And this automatically updated to say that people who have the link can view the video. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. If I wanted to submit this to a Google Classroom assignment, I could click the Google Classroom button. In this case, the link is good enough. So now I have the link copied. I can email it. I can post it for an assignment. Whatever I want to do with that video, I can now do with this link.